A toilet that fills randomly, a phantom flush some people call it, where your toilet sounds like it's filling. Now if you don't want to touch the shutoff, what you can do is just take a screwdriver like this and get it propped up underneath your fill valve, your toilet's fill valve. And that'll stop the toilet running while you do this. Now these canister style, we're looking at the canister style today. This one's by Kohler. There are a few name brands out there that are using a canister style. What you can do is all the tops will come off. Some of them are a quarter turn, some of them are a thread, but you have to get that top off. And then what you're going to want to do is pull the canister up. And it's actually this yellow ring. Now stay to the end because you're going to want to see a quick tip once you replace this ring. My screwdriver came out there. So take that ring off. Now yours won't be in this great a condition, I'm guessing. However, the next step is to make sure that there's no debris on the underside of the canister or where the canister seats at the bottom here. So take a cloth and just make sure that there is no debris in there. So the key to replacing these is to make sure the canister is clean. And once you get the ring on, I'm going to try and do this with one hand here, which is not as easy. Two hands is much easier. Here's the trick here. Give that gasket a turn, a little spin, and that's going to help seat the gasket. Again, make sure no debris. And then once you get that gasket seated on the canister, it's as simple as just reinstalling. Please leave us any questions or comments. Be happy to answer them. Always appreciate. Thanks for watching.